Today on the Zero to Geek, we look at the Merkury Wi-Fi Smart Plug. Stay tuned. Alright, thanks for joining us. We're going to unbox this here, and let's see what's inside. Cut off these tabs. Open the top. Oops. Oh, there's a rip. Alright, we got these manuals here. Pretty easy. Voice control, Google Assistant. Actually, it's Google Assistant, Cortana, and Amazon Alexa. Forgot what the last one was there. Alright, just packaging here. Simple. Pop it out. There it is. Right here. Perfect. Made of durable. Doesn't flex. Has a button for manual on and off. Simple. You can fit 2 plugs, stack them 2 high. Actually, I got another one right here. You can stack them. It fits in 1 outlet. So let's look at the features after this. Alright, let's take a look at the Merkury Wi-Fi Smart Plug with its 2.4 gig. You want? Hold on 1 second. Okay, Google. Turn on studio lights. Alright, that's much better. Alright, so the Merkury Wi-Fi Smart Plug is a 2.4 gigahertz signal. Now, you do have to have that on your router, but it is accessible from anywhere, in your car, on a trip, or at work, or even 2 feet away when you're sitting in your chair at home and the switch is on the back side of the computer, like my studio lights. I don't have to get up now. It's pretty easy. I haven't reached a limit with this, with how much power can be ran through it. I'm guessing it 110 volt. It should be pretty easy. It shouldn't have any limit to it. But other than that, it does have a timed feature. It does have a button on the side just in case you need to manually turn it on and off. If you're, I don't know, leaving for a trip and you want to make sure it's off. Other than that, it's through the app, the Greenie app. You set it up through the Greenie app, and then you go to Google Assistant, Alexa, or Cortana, and actually voice activate it. It all runs smoothly through any one of those devices. I'm sure if you have a hub, it works through those. I personally just use it through my phone. It's really easy. Now, that really concludes what I'm saying for this device, because I do recommend it. It does sell for $10, $13 on $14 on Amazon, I should say, and I'm sure there's other vendors that have in-between prices on that. If you get free shipping on it or whatever, obviously go through that vendor. I picked mine up for $10 at Walmart. I was walking by and I saw it, and I'm just like, you know what, let's give it a shot. And it works so smoothly. That's about it. That's all I have to say about this device. It's pretty easy. You know what? Jeez, I'm blurry. Alright, let's obviously fix this. Alright, here we go. And done. Alright, pretty easy. Now, let's take a look at those Black Desert online keys I promised you, because I'm pretty sure you want those as well. Alright guys, here's all the CD keys that I promised you on the side there. Other than that, we looked at the Merkury Wi-Fi Smart Plug. If you want to know anything about this product or other products, drop me a comment below. Other than that, thank you for watching Zero to Geek.
Like